Okay, so I'm here at Adobe again with our friend John. There's loads of new updates this year for all of the Adobe programs, but something I'm really excited about is the new content-aware fill in After Effects. But tell us about some of the new things in After Effects this year, including that.
All right, so content-aware fill is very similar to the same named feature in Photoshop. It's been there for a while. Now we're bringing it to video. And then the other big feature is the expression editor. So now we've got full syntax highlighting. We've got inline error messages. So let's say I change the name of this layer to something that doesn't exist in our timeline. It's going to tell me right inside the expression that the layer's missing, right on the line where I've made the error. And what's really cool is the expression editor knows the names of the layers, the compositions, the effects, and the footage in your project.
Wow.
So if I type layer, open parentheses, open quotations, it's going to show me a list of all the layers I have. And then I can just start typing to get a narrowed down list of what contains what I've typed. I hit enter, and now I've got it back.
It's going to save a lot of errors.
Oh yeah.
Big time.
And then, let's see, all the options in the expression editor are controllable from Edit, Preferences, Scripting, and Expressions. This is a brand new section of the Preferences where you can control everything about the expression editor. So you've got a ton of different themes, so you can pick one that fits exactly how you want to work, and then you can turn all the features on and off. You've got the syntax highlighting, the new line numbers, indent guides, the highlighting of braces that match, so you can find, if you've missed a bracket or you've missed a parenthesis. Yeah. You could use tabs or spaces. You've got 4 different styles of code folding. You can change your word wrap to none or character, and then you can turn on or off the inline errors and the autocomplete.
Oh, cool. I'm really impressed. I'm so impressed. You can tell I'm seriously impressed. So all of this is available for download today as well. Wow, that's really impressive. Well, thanks very much, John. It's really a pleasure to meet you, and thanks for showing us. So if you want to download this, have a go on it today. You can update your Creative Cloud, and it will be there for you. But thanks for watching. We're going to be looking at some of the other stuff here at the Adobe stand, so keep watching.